Kids, okay, go back here. Step my back. Open merger. Oh, sige. Ano na siyang foreign merger now? Okay, so what mo ikahog sa kwan? Ayaw, balik ka mo yung pinaan si Ashley at si Mami. O, ari mo sa kuluyo. Everybody, stand my back. Balik sa kuluyo. Asa kuluyo. Balik mo tanan sa akong lujo. O, lujo mo na ako, lujo. Sa luyo. Luyo. Uy, wala sa oras na yun. Pagkakikuan na kailangan. Wait sa... Ready? O, sabi tanan. Happy birthday, Ashley! Are you ready? 1, 2. Ayaw sa, Pamilya kids, huwag tayo ninyo kumahog sa sahog ang candy. Ayaw sa dyan mo. 1, 2, 3, go, Mami! Okay! Live from ABS-CBN, Huawei, something. Ayaw na pilang tayo sa buwan, ha? Wala na candy sa buwan. Wala tayo sa buwan. Okay, kids, picture.
Kasi nakakuha sa 1,000 gibutang.
Okay, all the kids get together here, cross. Okay, mag-pictorial sa ta. Okay, okay, everybody gather in front of the cake.
Balik ka kayong
Because we are going to proceed the most awaiting part of this party, which is blowing of the candle, the first candle of Ashley, okay? So after blowing the candle, mag-pictorial patan, and distribution of the party loot bags, and giveaway.
Nabibyo.
Kids, come here, stay here in front. Mag-pictorial patan.
Hindi na, video ko ma'am.
Again, ito mga bata, mga padias player, ay namotivate ka lang dahil kasi kung maulay ng tanan, matog sa hayang, kami ng tubig. Alright, everybody, smile. Show your teeth. Okay, smile, everybody. I would like to invite everybody to watch our movie, Going Bulilit. Oh, mga bata, kinahanglan mo ang film mo din eh. Kaya dili na mo sugdan kung wala mo din eh. Kung naka mo diha, dili lang mo.
Okay, ready na.
O, ikaw na dong, ganito dong.
Okay. Kanya. Okay. Usap. Ini, 1, 2, 3. Bye. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so ayaw sa maglakaw kids, kaya mag-blow kasi Ashley sa candle. Okay, let's sing happy birthday again to Ashley. Okay, not only the kids, but the one, everybody. Okay, so ato na yung tuyo kids. Ato mo. Okay, so around the plate. O, dahan-dahan lang po. Slowly. O, forward lang po. Backward. O, mga ito na happy birthday. Si Ashley na yung blow, ha? O, dili ka mo blow, ha, si Ashley. Okay,
Wala pala na, ha?
Don't touch the cake, okay?
Mga dagko. Kuloyo. Ato mo mga dagkuloyo.
Namin. Ayaw na lang. Ayaw sa kita sa cake. O, pwede yung backward kamay. O, sa next space ay table, okay? Salamat po. O, backward lang meron siya. So, backward lang, okay? O, mahal ka kasi birthday ha. Clap your hands and louder. O. Ay, ay.
pa, iskil sa kamay ha. Doon sa talik diha kay mag-blow na rabama. Ito.
Okay, everybody clap your hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3, sing. Happy birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pam, 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 pam. Happy birthday. Big Senor. Happy birthday. Hallelujah. Happy birthday. Okay, before mo blow si Ashley sa first candle, so anong masasabi ni Mama? Wala siyang masabi. Okay, Mommy, say secret. Okay, so, everybody count down 5 to 1, then Ashley, blow your candle. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blow, Ashley! Happy New Year! Happy birthday, Ashley! Okay, thank you so much. Okay, picture! Okay, ready? Smile! Okay, thank you, kids. Okay, you can go back to your place now. Then, Linya, everybody form a line to get your lid down. Okay. Sorry. Before this is a look back there, okay. Okay, another, the most awaited part of this party, which is dinner party. Okay, so, okay, we'll proceed to the casa. Oh, wait. Okay, later na siya ha. O, ano na mo ulit hati. Later na siya natin mag-hatag. So, mag-dinner pa. So, the buffet is ready. So, before we eat, let's ask the food first.
Lang! Lang gatoy! Lang gatoy! Smile, baby!
Okay, everybody. Okay, I request everyone to please stand. Let's bless the food first before we eat. We eat pa muna ito. Before we eat,